In this question, we're being told that for this triangle, RT equals TU. Now that pertains to that triangle, and it makes it an isosceles triangle. And the rule for isosceles triangles is if you have the two sides congruent, equal in length, then you have the two angles congruent, equal in measure. So because RT and TU are equal in length to each other, that makes angle R equal to angle U. And for this triangle RTU, we know the three angles add up to 180. So let's call the angle measure of either of them, let's call that Y. And we can say that they're both Y because we knew that they were equal to one another. And so we'll say 114 plus both of those Y's equals 180. Take away the 114 and you get 66. Divide by 2 and you have 33. So now all of this is to tell us that we have a 33 degree angle here and also here. Knowing that we have that 33 degree angle is definitely very helpful for us because now we can say in this pink triangle here, we know two of the angles. And so we can figure out the third one. We can say 31 plus 33 plus the third one, let's call that Z right there. And that equals 180. And we can start doing the math. 64 plus Z equals 180. Take away 64 from both sides, and Z is 116 degrees. So now we've got 116 degrees right here. And that 116 degrees is the opposite of a linear pair with the angle measure that they called X. So if you have two angles in this format, A and B, then those two angles always add to 180. And that's exactly what we have right here. We've got this angle with two sides to it. If one of them is, actually, let's tilt it this way so it makes more sense. So it's tilted this way to match angle RVU. And if one of those is 116, to make it 180, the other one needs to be 64. So we just found out right now that X is 64, and that's our answer to the question.